Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shape so far and glad to see you here through this tutorial. And today I'm going to show you a tutorial. This tutorial it is based on the case that I find out in our community, and it is coming from one of our friend from Falana Prunti. Alright, so I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name well. So the question is here's a question about how to get a tutorial, how to accomplish this kind of yes, how does anyone does anyone have a tutorial on how to accomplish this? Thanks in advance. So actually these animations can be done in Canva. It's not so difficult, and I challenge myself to make this tutorial because it doesn't take too much time, but I will let you know how to make this one. Actually I'm done already, and as you can see here, so the animations is really similar like what you are asking for. Alright, so before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sius Saroma. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. Yes, the place that you are going to visit soon, right? Alright, I hope so. Okay, so here's the element that assist me here to make this tutorial. Is the first one is the font. The font name is Anton, and the second element here is the name is border shadow horizontal, that you can find out in the Canva element. And another one is squares. This square shapes is coming from element that I get it from here. So this squares element here is a really wonderful one, and I love it so much. I use it very often. And this one is extendable, colorable, and yes, you can change even the color. Right, as you can see, I'm going to show you, and even you can put a border weight around it, and you can corner round as well, and you can make it, you know, dots and frames here, and etc, etc. And even you can erase the color here. You can erase so that you can get this transparent border, something like this. All right, so that's the information about the shapes that I use in here to help me around to make these animations over here. Okay, so we need to make this position like this. Okay, and firstly, when you are going to type your own word, all the word must be in single letter. Okay, no combined word in here, all single letters, as you can see here. And after that you put the shadow. Okay, you can arrange the shadow space, and after that you need to put these squares over here to help these letters later on hiding under behind of this element over here. Okay, so after that you will arrange. Okay, you arrange these, and the element that I use here is merge element, so I use on enter animate. Okay, and so that's how it looks like. You can try another animations, but this is the process. It's similar like what you're asking for. Okay, so something like that. All right, so here you go. If you think the animation is starting well and running smooth, now you need to, after that you need to change the color of these squares over here, so it looks like this. And make sure all the letters, okay, of capital letters over here must be on top, okay. And the last of this design, it seems like this later on. Okay, so I will just play, and there you go. So this is how it looks like. Okay, thank you guys. So I think I'm done, and you can try by yourselves. If you follow the steps, I am sure that you can make it. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support this channel. But if you don't want to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to do that. You just keep watching and share to a friend who might need it or looking for it. Thank you once again, and see you around on the next tutorial. Bye bye.